blay pi baroy pidian subhai pi chini ka tup khubor menta ka janmi. Shopping instant tingin ya pai shakimat bakongsan. Sedang ka jingkang dam ba RC Lintel ha Shillong nakabenta ban itu ikitu ki bayajan bat ki badang shuyo ya ka jingpang COVID-19. Penlong ketenat ke kuat ke kia ya ke jingya lang peliu jingmut bat ki nong shong shlong halo ke jing temu jo ke suakar bande ya ke random testing. Benar ke CDSE ya ke result nak benta ki kelas 12 bat ke MBOS ya ke result kelas 12 arts. Bagatma Nirbhar Bharat ke desha phang ke jing plela ya ke India nak benta ke jing dei bat ke perthai barok away ong menteri ke suakar pedang upiyesh guyot. Ki kubor ki babnya Kajing khang dam ba RC Lintel kabla penbenada ke sokar jela nak benta ban itu iki brio ki bayajan bat kitu ki bayo pang ka kelas dang hine kesngi ha Shillong. Nalor kajing khang dam ke sokar kala penjari ru ka curfew ha Shillong bat ki jaka ba marjan hadu enriu bejemen step jong ka khat santerik unaitung. Hasor Shillong hine kesngi baro ki dukan ki la khanglut bat umdan ki kali ki bayat ki surat latang kitu ki bayo jingbed. Baro ki office tray kam bat ki bank ki la khanglut nakadaw kajing khang dam. La penjari ya kani ka jingkang dam namar ka jela khamtam ka East Khasi Hills District kala donya ka jingkiu kinsan ki bayo ka jingpang COVID-19 bat katkum ka kai phot badang shen ka jela ka don arspa sapu prangot ki badon ya kani ka jingpang kat ba sapu san ngot ki bri ki la yo jingkot nau niu khnyang jingpang bashir khai wala ki pai ba ki don hapedeng ki jingso khuslai hende ki la kloi ban pediang ya kani ka jingkang dam.
The lockdown given by the government for the 13th and 14th of July 2020 is very positive, and it is very important for all of us as the number of cases in Meghalaya is rising drastically.
I think this lockdown is very important because the number of cases are only increasing day by day, and this lockdown will be useful for tracing the contacts of all the positive persons to prevent the further spread of the virus. So everyone should adhere to the lockdown, and yes, it will mostly affect the poor people, but there are no other options.
Ketenat ke kuat ke kia negasi gala penloi ke jingi peliu jingmoi bat ki nong shong shnong jong ka lang keding mingi na ka benta ban penloi ke jing le test ne ka random testing. Kalang keding mingi ke dei ka wei na ki shnong ka bayadan yadan marjan bat ki jaka shong ki shipai BSF ha maupat ha ka ba ka sorka kala rai ban sedang ya ka jing le ya ka random testing. Ka jing le ya ka random testing hakini ki shnong kan sedang nado ka khat santerik mentau benai. Habakran bakilat patai kubor hadin jong kani ka jingyalang menteri ketenat ka kuat ka kia uba Alexander lalu hek ula ong ba ka jing tmu ban penlong ya ka random testing ka long hadin jong ka jing kiu kinsan ki bayo pang COVID-19 habdeng ki shipai BSF. Uba hek ula ong ru bakila kentu ya ki jingya tray lang jong baro ki COVID Management Committee bat ki pat ba baro ban ya tray lang ba ketenat ka kuat ka kia ha ka ba jing penlong ya ka random test.
We saw about the spread of the coronavirus in the state of Meghalaya, particularly in the BSF camp. We have also taken the decision, these places, which is neighboring areas close to the BSF camp, we have already taken the decision to go for the random tests. For that reason, we have been called a meeting in all these areas which is close to BSF, and also we want to give awareness and the corporations of the COVID Management Committee and all the communities here. At least they should cooperate with the health department and also with the administration how to take this random testing.
Ka Mahima Sinha jong ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kalayo bat ya ka kredan ban ningkong da ka jingyo South Spa Arpopra ki marks haka result class 12 arts belapin bena da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education hinekasngi. Kariti Shari Khan ru kalabanar St. Anthony's kalayo bat ya ka kredan ka baar da ka jingyo ba South Spa Arpunyo marks. Ka Shuba Katila Jamir jong ka St. Anthony's hi kalabat ya ka kredan ka balay da South Spa Arpunrio marks. Kapas percentage jong ki kena haka examen HSSLC naka art stream kalong hinyopusaw point laisaw naka chispa kabaduna kendiat habayunu jor ba usnem baladep kabalong hinyopunreo point arpra naka chispa. Kaskol St. Anthony's kalayobat ya barwa lai tuli ki kerdan baha khamad Henry ki wei ki school ru ki lapau ha ki kerdan baper kum ka RK Mission Higher Secondary School Cherapunji bat ka 7 set Annex Higher Secondary School Shillong. Hakawai pat kaliang haka result class 12 ki kena CBSE kena puli kentai kila pau biang banyak ki kena shinrang. Haka result CBSE class 12 kajing tam jong ki kena puli kentai ki bapas kalong sun point kendai hinriu nakashispa banyak ki shinrang. Kajing pas jong baru ki kena haka ni ka examen kalong prapupra point nyupra nakashispa. Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia Uba Alexander lalu heg ula ong baka sorkar kampat don jingtip kababnya halor ke jingyo COVID-19 uwe UMLA ubala sya test positif ubala let banya shimbinta ke jingya thok syong kurem ha Greenwood Resort. Habaya keren bakilat patai kubor hine kasi uba heg ula ong ba umdan manu-manuru balawan syakamat ban ai jingtip syapang uniu MLA uba yo ya ke jingpang. Henry kijing sa priang tangki kubor haki social media ba UMLA uba jukasyan ya ka sarkar MDA ba minta ula sya test positive ya ka jingpang. Kajing tua kendo kabashir kay hakatan riboy men hagasi ublay kalapin juloria artli ki yingsa. Kani kalaja hakapor kendai shting minmit ha kendai mer bat shimla don kanu manu ba minsaw. Katkum kakerwa balaya tu daki traying kani kalaja hakapor bakidang ya bam jamit bat kila yosko ya kajing sawa kabajam. Kini ki artli ki ying ki day jang ka anggam na Nagaland bat iwan salan rupsi. Menteri Ketenat Rel bat kakayi kapateng ubadai Pedro ya kakarkhana Piyush Goyal. Ulaong baka atma Nirbhar Bharat kadai kajing play ki kerdop jong ka India na kabenta ban penyajan ya kajing ya dialog bat kiri hakaleng kaperthai. Ulaong baka sarkar kakwa baki nong khayi na India kin yo bentalang hakaban penyar shushu ya kakayi kapateng bat kiri hakaperthai. Haba ai jingkren hakajing lang kaba shispa prapusaw ba shisin shisnem jong ka Bombay Chambers of Commerce lemba ka video conference uni menteri ulaong baka atma Nirbhar Bharat ka thaw ya ka jingklan ka jing scam bat ka jingyar jong ka ri India hakaba ka shnat kinong khayi ki don ya ka kam ka ba kongsan ban ya trailang banwanra ya ka roy kapar hakari. Menteri Ketenat Kekuat Kekia ringkat bat DHS MI Dr. Aman War bat kiweki officer jong Ketenat Kekuat Kekia menta kesngi ki dalej ngo ya ka way ke jaka Hakiting Road kablasya penbenakum ka containment area. Iba aman ilaong bak ladap banshim ya katu kat ningot ki brio nakani ke jaka. Ilaong ba ki donru ki temen ki kro bat day bakani kal daw baka sarkar ka ngau khuslai. Urang basnong UJ Eldas lapen pau bakikwa baka sarkar bakan pinbena yakani ka jaka kum ka containment zone. Kam haswa iba el hek ilalet jingo ya ka ni ka jaka ban let ai mensi mikibrio ki basa hakani ka jaka.
The returnees coming up from outside the state. So we have tested them, they are negative, and only one had turned out to be positive. These had been contacts of that particular person. So now, as a precautions, we are taking them all out and testing. Those we are finding positive, we are keeping them in the corona care centers.
Number one, our demand is to declare this area as containment zone. It is not yet done. So it is the first priority to us. Some of the infected people are there. Those who are positive, they should be shifted to the hospital. And those who are negative, let them stay here. Our welfare will take care of them.
Menta pa inya pedi ke jinglong jingman ke sunbeneng. Ka jingshe jingkriat ha Shillong kalong arpusaw 0.0 degree Celsius hakapor min step bat khatpra 0.3 degree Celsius hakapor janmit. Kajing ngam ka haw kalong prap khandai na kashispa hakapor min step bat khandai pupra na kashispa hakapor janmit. Kajing hap slap kalong khatnyo 0.1 millimeter. Kasoy mineng kandum no ha Shillong bat ki jaka bamarjan kala rubandon kajing hap slap. Syaban penkoy inya pai biang sa shisin syakimat bekongsan. Sedang kejingkang damba arsi lenter ha Shillong nakabenta bat itu ikitu kibayajan bat kibadang syuyo ya kejingpang COVID-19. Penlong Ketenat Kekuat Kekia ya kejingay lang pelir jingmut bat kinong syang shnong halo kejing kemujang ke sarkar ban le ya ke random testing. Pinbina ka CBSE ya ka result na kabenta ki class 12 but the MBOS ya ka result class 12 arts. Baika Atmanirbhar Bharat ka desh phang ka jingplela ya ka India na kabenta ka jingye day baika prathai Morocco way Om Menteri Sarkar Perdana Piyush Goyal. Te parlo ka tungila po siya bakot jo ka tup kubor jungi menta ka janmin hadu bende syam biang bat pila syai ka si haka jo ka por kublay pi barot.
In public interest by NDMA. We are living in times when flood can occur any time in certain places. They can cause a lot of damage and even take lives. You should always stay prepared to deal with them.